Jack and the Beanstalk. Once upon a time there was a boy called Jack. He lived with his mother. They were very poor. All they had was a cow. One morning, Jack's mother told Jack to take their cow to market and sell her. On the way, Jack met a man. He gave Jack some magic beans for the cow. Jack took the beans and went back home. When Jack's mother saw the beans, she was very angry. She threw the beans out the window. The next morning, Jack looked out the window, and there was a giant beanstalk. He went outside and started to climb the beanstalk. He climbed up to the sky through the clouds. There he saw a beautiful castle. He went inside. Jack heard a voice.
Fee, fi, fo, fum.
An enormous giant came into the room and sat down. On the table there was a hen and a golden harp.
Lay,
said the giant. The hen laid an egg. It was made of pure gold.
sing,
Said the giant, and the harp began to sing. Soon the giant was fast asleep. Jack took the hen and the harp, and he went back to his mother as fast as he could. With the golden eggs and the magic harp, Jack and his mother lived happily ever after. Thanks for watching. There is a link below in the description for downloadable retell and question booklets that you can try, or even color them in if you like. As well, there are plenty of other resources available. Learn how to make your own fairy tale stories here, or click the course link in the description below. That may come later.